Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use message yourself as a notepad on WhatsApp. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp, open it, and to message yourself, you have to click on the plus icon on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, as you can see here in contacts on WhatsApp, the first one will be yourself. It already tell you message yourself. You can click on it, and after that here you can do whatever thing you want. If you want to put pictures, to put locations, to save documents also for yourself, to prepare like for an event or whatever thing you can do or you want to do, you can put it. For example, I will tell myself hello, and I can write any like thing. For example, if I had to save $1,000, I can send it to myself, and you can use it as a notepad and write whatever thing that you want. And of course, it's good because you can access this from any place where you have your WhatsApp account open. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.